Hey everyone, looking for the latest Marvel Contest of Champions promo codes to boost your gameplay in 2024? Let me show you where to find them. Promo codes are often released for special events, new updates, or by the game's social channels. To find working codes, the best place to start is on official sources. Check out Marvel Contest of Champions official social media pages like Twitter or Facebook where they post exclusive codes during events and celebrations. You can also visit their forums and fan communities. Trusted sites like The Escapist or Distractoid often list the latest promo codes too. These are a great way to ensure you are not wasting time on expired ones. Once you have found your code, just go to Marvel Contest of Champions Summoners Market, type in it, and claim your rewards. But hurry, promo codes can expire quickly.